Hi, thank you so much for stopping by. We are doing this gorgeous paper bag here. A customer saw this slipper. Yeah, we did it in episode 2. We are still on the beading series. And her name is Pearl, so that's the name I've written on the paper bag. Pearl, beautifully written. So I did a paper bag myself and I used the the seed bead to do the handle. Yeah. So we are going to put the handle on the paper bag, and then when we are done, we will write the name on the paper bag. So watch closely. Now I'm using a needle to create a hole in the paper bag so that I can put the seed beads on it. So this is my handle. I've arranged the seed beads on a 0.6 beading thread. So I'm going to divide it into two, depending on the length you want your handle to be. Yeah, I didn't want it very long, so I'm going to divide it into two and make sure it's the same, because we'll be needing two handles for the front and the back. So this is what I have here. I'm going to put the first handle on. So I'm basically going to put it in the hole. Now I'm tying a knot just to make it more secure so that it doesn't come out if we pull it close. Yeah, so that's what we have. Now I'm putting the second one in the second hole. Now I'm going to tie the knot very close to the paper bag. So I'm going to do the same for the other side too. So I went ahead to cover the knots with hot glue from glue gun. I'm sorry it didn't really show, yeah, but that's basically what I'm doing. I'm covering the knots with hot glue from glue gun, just to make it more secured and more stylish. You don't want anyone seeing our secrets. So that's basically it. Yeah, nicely done. So our bag is ready. If you decide not to write anything on it, your paper bag is ready. Yeah, comment down below if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how I did the paper bag itself, and I'll do just that. Now I'm putting an A4 sheet under the bag, and I'm using glitter, a silver glitter. I'll be pouring on the names as I write. And I'm using a glue gun with my glue in it. Yeah, and make sure your hand doesn't touch the metal part of the glue gun. It can really shock you. So I'm going to go ahead and write the name just like that. And when you're writing the names too, you don't want to write a lot before. If you want to use glitter, you pour the glitter on it, because it will dry up. The glue dries very fast. It will become very hard. So you write a little and then you pour your glitter. You write, you pour, you write, you pour, just like so. So let's write, and then we'll continue talking. Yeah, so that's pearl, nicely written Pearl, and I'm trying to draw a flower, and I think this should have gone a bit further away from the L, the letter L, but all the same was cool. I used the A4 sheets under the paper bag so that we can pour our glitter back into its container once we are done. So this is nicely done. Make sure you shake it off to get rid of the excess glitter. This is so cool and gorgeous. And in case a friend is celebrating his or her birthday and you want to write something nice or design something nice, or even give them a gift that you want to package yourself, you can do this for them and you are good to go. At least it will add to your creativity, you know. Yeah, so go ahead and try it, and then this is so cool. You can write anything. All you need is glue gun, your glue, and glitter. That's all. You can write basically anything. Happy birthday, thank you, I love you, anything at all. So this is what we have here. That's the slipper, and it's so cool using the bead for the slipper for the bag handle. This is gorgeous, very beautiful. Nicely done. Yeah, so very beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yeah, so if you've not checked the beading series out, make sure you do check them out. We are on episode 8 and episode 9 is ready to be uploaded, coming your way shortly. This is gorgeous. This here was done in episode 2, so you can go ahead and check it out. And since this slippers was for Pearl, shout outs to Pearl. Thanks for trusting the Palmer brand, and I hope you like it. I hope you do like them because this is beautiful. Yeah. And coming slowly right there. Alright, so I'll see you in episode 9. Take care and bye.